In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a page as a template in Notion. This is a simple way to speed up your workflow so you don't have to rebuild the same page layout every time. We'll walk through creating the place where your template lives, setting it up, and using it whenever you need. First, you'll need a database. Templates in Notion are tied to databases, not standalone pages, so create a database in the format that fits your work best. You can start with a table, a board, or a list view. It doesn't matter which one you choose for this process. Select the view that makes the most sense for how you plan to organize your entries. Once your database is on the page, you are ready to build the template that new entries will use. Next, look to the top right of your database for the blue New button. Click the small arrow next to it. This opens the template menu, which is where you manage and create reusable layouts for this database. From that drop-down, select Plus New Template. A fresh page opens and you'll see a banner at the top that says you are editing a template in this specific database. That banner confirms you are in the right place. Now, design your template. Add an icon to make it easy to spot. Set up properties, like status, tags, due date, or whatever your database uses, and pre-fill any defaults you want to apply automatically. Then build out the page content, add headings, text, checklists, toggle sections, or callouts. Anything you want every new entry to include. You can include placeholder text, like write your notes here. To guide future use, think about what you repeat often, such as a project overview section, meeting agenda blocks, or task checklists, and bake those into this page so they're ready each time. When you are done, saving is effortless. Notion saves as you type, so here is nothing to press. Simply click outside the page or navigate back to your database. Your template is now stored and ready to go. To use it, return to the blue New button and click the arrow again. You'll see your template listed there. Click it, and Notion generates a new entry in your database with all the properties and page content you set up. From there, customize that specific entry as needed without changing the original template. That's all you need to create, save, and use templates in Notion. It's a quick setup that pays off every time you add a new entry. Thanks for watching.